If you have a color vision impairment, disabling all the colors on your smartphone by enabling Grayscale Mode on Android could be in your best interest. I've also seen a few studies that suggest turning off all colors on your Android device can help you to reduce smartphone addiction as well. And it can even help to improve battery life in those instances when you'll be without your charger for an extended period of time. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable Grayscale Mode across all Android devices, including the Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, and Xiaomi's device with HyperOS. So first up, I have the Google Pixel 8 here, and we can find this toggle by first opening up the Settings application. Then we're going to scroll through this list until you find the Accessibility menu. And now we're going to look for the Color and Motion option. You should then see a color correction feature up here at the top. So let's go ahead and tap that. Now, color correction is going to be disabled by default. So we need to enable it via the toggle here. And then we can choose which color correction mode that we want to have enabled. So go ahead and tap on Grayscale. And once that's enabled, you can instantly see all the color wash away from the screen while it's on. It won't matter which part of the operating system you're on, whether it's on the home screen or inside an application. With Grayscale Mode enabled on Android, everything will be displayed in black and white. Moving on to Samsung Galaxy devices, I have the Galaxy S23 here, and we can find this Grayscale Mode feature by first opening up the Settings application again, and then scrolling through this list until you find the Accessibility menu. This time, we're going to select the Vision Enhancements option. And then from here, we're going to look for that same color correction menu. Just like before, we're going to need to enable the feature via the toggle here. But now you get to choose how you want to start or stop this feature. So pick which one you like most. And then we can enable Grayscale Mode from this menu. And now you can see all the color has washed away from the device, no matter what screen or app you're in. Last up, I have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro here, and this will show you how to find Grayscale Mode on the company's HyperOS firmware. So again, we need to load up the Settings application, except this time from here, we're going to scroll down until we find the Additional Settings menu. Now from here, you should see the familiar Accessibility option, and then look toward the top so that you can select the Vision tab. Now, when we scroll through this menu, you should find that familiar color correction feature. And just like before, we need to enable this feature via the toggle here, and then choose Grayscale Mode from that menu. So again, no matter where you're at, the display is only going to show black, white, and gray. Now I like the idea of using Grayscale Mode to help transition your smartphone usage from one that is mostly centered around entertainment to one that is more focused on using the device as a utility or a tool. But if your smartphone display is OLED rather than LCD, then it should also help to make the battery last longer as well. This is actually something that Samsung enables by default when you turn on its Ultra Battery Saver mode, since it can use less battery to illuminate the colors black and gray compared to white and most other colors. So with Grayscale Mode on an Android device with an OLED panel, you can help to extend your battery life a little bit more.